My dear brothers and sisters in Christ, what a magnificent Harana ng Pag-asa we have shared tonight. Every note sung, every prayer offered, and every flower laid at the feet of our Blessed Mother has been an act of profound hope and deep faith. This entire evening is a living testament to the spirit of the year of hope. We came here to honor our Mother Mary, and in doing so, we have renewed our commitment to believing in the miracles that flow from God's grace and Mary's constant intercession. We learned tonight that hope is not passive. It is an active force, a choice to believe, even when the path is unclear. As we reach the final, unifying moment of our serenade, let us rise and lift our voices, transforming all the evening's reverence and devotion into one powerful declaration of trust. This song reminds us that even when we feel alone or afraid, we must hold on to that certainty, that hope, because it has the power to move mountains. For our final unifying anthem of the night, let us welcome the Maseran sisters and our grand choir to lead us in the ultimate declaration of faith.